Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Barrister Vincent dey for Kola Edokpayi office to talk about the case of Nusa Kare and two of his friends wey accuse Osahon say use gun take chase dem comot from their community. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Kola Edokpayi and the barrister. Enjoy the video.
Good evening, my people for us. Good afternoon and good morning, depending on the country where una for the watchers. I want to welcome una come our own Google program, Talakawa's Parliament, Human Rights TV, where we talk about CB, where we address human rights issues, human rights violation, and how to the proper lasting solution to human rights violation. Because we believe in respect for human rights for our country. We don't feel wait for other people to complete our country for us. But we get a very prominent legal luminary for our midst today. Legal luminary, na lawyer, na minister in the temple of justice, na upholder of the rule of law. His name na Barrister Andrew Bello. Before we demystify lucidly why we dey here today, you know, as we done before, we run through the pages of our newspaper. Okay, the first one, they say appeal court upholds tribunal ruling on Obaseki's Goba Pool victory. Okay, they say tribunal appeal court don't uphold the ruling of the tribunal, of the lower tribunal on Obaseki Goba Pool victory. Congratulations to Obaseki. Okay, NGF mean Nigeria Governors Forum fought Buhari's executive order on judicial autonomy. Okay, Nigeria Governors Forum will not know why they fought Buhari's executive order on judicial autonomy. Just go get to the Vanguard. Now Vanguard na talking. Okay, this was constitutional amendment, demand for fiscal federalism, state police dominate submission. Now if they come approve state police, they don't know how the matter will come be. Governor will come get right to control anybody who protest against the governor, and you just tell the commissioner of state police go after that person. You know, say this is our country. You know, you get as it be. Once you be governor, you feel say you be God. You don't assume the position of God. I know if you stay there forever. State police, okay. Wave of attacks threatening Nigeria's existence. They say wave of attacks across the country threatening Nigeria's existence. The National Assembly na talking. They say Buhari Lawan, Gbajabi Amila, na Gbajadan they put here Sultan Oni speak at House of Rep Security Summit. Okay, insecurity challenging our nationhood, standing against my ambition. Buhari talking. Executive should implement outcome of security summit. Lawan, this is not time for name calling. House is on fire. Nana Gbajabi Amila, Nana you know say house is on fire. Now house never start to be born. It is well. Enough of this talk, let's work. Now Sultan I talk and say enough of talky. Sultan na talk. Let's our foundation wrong. Let's engage youth. Only say our foundation of Nigeria wrong. Say we engage youth. Thank you only for that statement. And now I say we want to engage youth. So they use our youth for heroism and thuggery. It is well and God now will help us. Okay. They say no going back on Asaba declaration. Certain governors talk and say no going back. It's time for me to shake SS way. Federal certain governor talk and say no, this Asaba declaration so now when they ban open grazing. I want to talk to our governors now noise that they make. Now braggadocios now they be. Where they for talk say where they for do the Asaba declaration. As I come from Asaba 2 days ago, I see open all those mala melu people. The kind of melu come out open grazing. Still did Delta State for Asaba. Where they for do the meeting. Last week I talk from how I see a video how I see those melu people for Benin City. They do their open grazing. Certain governors now noise that they make until now activate out of assembly. May they turn that to a resolution into law. It will just everything will be exercised in futility. It will just be mere a piece of paper where they have fish screws away. Now so it be. Certain government, the first time when I meet resolution now, Nothing for our resolution. Local governors, they meet on the development of North. Okay, it is where someone Malami over alleged blockage of $60 billion repatriation. Government keep police officers set patrol van ablaze in Delta State. Suicide bomb is self-inflicted, says Governor Umahi. It is where now God now go help us for this our country. Also negative headlines. Now they see and now they read from our name for our national dailies. Now God now will pray to help Nigeria, but we don't want civil war. They talk and say Mokubini talk and say Okwemosi. Okay, we get with Barrister Andrew Bello for our platform today. I know say few days ago we interview some people, some youths. One what will be their name again? Saturday or Mogiate, Nusaka Ogusuyi and Vincent Ayeki. They talk and say one man. Now what they talk? They say one man that they call Sawai Maru from their community, from Uro community, Uriemo local government area. Parts of West come their community. They come begin to shoot with Englishman they call sporadically. They say go and come meet them. So many things where they talk. They call report to human rights activists. So you know the work who they do. They fight for the voice. We fight for the people. We fight for the voiceless in our society because we believe in equal right and justice. We don't believe in this special state of nature. We don't believe say some set of people get power past some set of people because of government power where they get. As we talk to them, we interview them, we do the needful. But now we deal with their lawyer, a very prominent lawyer, now young man na be, now Socrates of the Supreme Court na be, now minister in the Temple of Justice and uphold the rule of law. We deal with her today for a chamber. We want to know how far it don't go, for the matter, for the legal aspect of it, where we do the human rights aspect of it. Barrister, good evening, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You are welcome. Not be grammar with this, not because you do. People's program, I be this one. I know, so you feel they miss and which I understand. Yes. Welcome to Talakawa's Parliament Human Rights TV, where we talk about CB.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So these people matter for the whole community. So these people where you go meet for hospital.
Yes.
For hospital, where they tell us one release some people take attack there and everything. So I the matter don't be waiting your take, what be the step when you don't take further to see how those young men will take their justice. Or people just want to know the state of the matter now.
Thank you very much, my people. Welcome. It should be say before we even go into the nitty-gritty of the matter, the headlines here you read from beginning to the end, you see insecurity. Yes. Waiting lead us to insecurity like this. Now we talk about also. Now, some people dey hospital. They say na gunshots na put them there. Rightly or wrongly, they point out some other person say these people na shoot us. You see, that is what we call direct evidence. It's the best form of evidence. Direct evidence. They don't just say they tell me. He say see the person where he shoot me. I see her like this. Now ABC shoot me. Yes. That's the best form of evidence. Direct evidence. What thing we expect make it happen or make it follow next? You will not arrest. Police supposed to arrest those people where they say now they carry out those shooting. When they arrest them, they will bring them to station. They will investigate the matter, ask questions for the village. If there are people who video the event, check out those videos and see if not true. If there were recovered exhibits, go check whether those exhibits whether they actually match what they talk. From the video where I see and the pictures where I see say live cartridges. Police recovered them. It's still in police custody. Okay. That alone is evidence that something that like what they talk happened in that community.
Yes.
There was shooting, sporadic shooting in that community. Human beings received gunshot wound for that community. From the evidence of blood on the ground where they video, they picture too, and the bullets where they left and right. It shows say people actually suffer these things where they tell you they suffer. So that would often give us some form of what we call real evidence to show say this thing actually happened and they thought say it happen. The police will now go further to say okay, see who and who they say e do am, we don arrest them. You wey they say e do am, wetin be your own side of this story? How you see am? Wetin you get to talk for this matter, this story where they talk against you? So how you see am? Police go suppose ask that question. But as we dey talk, so as Messi dey talk, so the people wey dem call their name, wey dem list their name, say na dem do this thing o, na dem carry gun dey shoot people anyhow for street. Some of them, many of them still dey waka freely. Na only one that dey aware say e dey police custody. And even from the wetin we dey hear, e be like say that one sef fit dey make way to make plan to make dem take release am, na im dey pursue. Instead, meanwhile, people wey dey shoot dey hospital. Nobody has been charged to court. An offence as serious as unlawful possession of firearm, willful discharge of firearms with disregard to human life, threat to life, attempted murder, like this, all these kind of serious offences wey fit put person for life imprisonment for prison. People will just commit am, then they will just go house freely. Nobody, they no go arrest them. It's too bad. Because when we take things like this take play, na im be say we dey call insecurity. Because I can assure you, if this matter is allowed to go down like this and just die like this, wey they start play and down, make die like this, the other people wey suffer this consequence, wey suffer this injury, they will not go and sleep, they will not lie low. They have tried using legal means by bringing me to the matter. We have written several petitions. We have gone to the state CID, we have gone to the AIG's office where the matter is currently being pursued. Assuming at the end of the day, if nothing, justice is not given, what you are telling those people is that they should go and carry arms to and fight. Now you dey tell them, say the state cannot protect you, go and fight. So those people go also go carry arms, also go fight. Then we will begin cry of insecurity. Those insecurity, this is going on with us. So it don't come from moon, no. Now so we take the creator. Somebody wey say get power pass everybody, he carry gun shoot. Then those wey dey shoot, they cry come meet the law enforcement agents. They no go get justice. Those people will go also carry gun, still build themselves. Then just now we have insecurity that we cannot control. Now where the matter dey now be that, but I pray say we will get justice where we are now. We have been talking and we have been writing. All those who were listed, mentioned, say na dem shoot, make dem arrest them and investigate them if they actually shoot. That's what they take do investigation all over the world. Why be say when they reach big mark, we will come dey look for law wey no get meaning dey use. If we are in a poor man and they say he carry gun shoot, we will never arrest all the poor men. But once it don't involve big man, we will begin look for the constitutional provision where no apply to that matter. We will begin apply and say yes, innocent until proven guilty. Innocent until proven guilty, no say make dem no arrest, make dem no investigate. You only say we are going to arrest and investigate the person, but we will still treat him as an innocent person. We won't condemn him. Now be innocent until proven guilty. Don't mean say make dem no investigate at all. We just leave am make dey waka freely. But now where we see say the matter dey now be that. Now that one that we dey push so far, and by the grace of God we're going to push as justice and law allow us to push. But if the justice and law don't come work, I pray make it work. Then insecurity will come dey look am say e don still come meet us from that direction. Because the boys that we are going to grow from that area do not know where they go to. But they may start as community youth wey fight. Tomorrow they will become armed robbers and kidnappers who were groomed because the state failed to protect them. And so we tell you get all these many kidnappers and armed robbers wey full everywhere. So many of them were groomed from small communal crisis like this, where the state refused to deal with and treat as the proper crime that ought to be dealt with. That one na one part of it. Then from what I gathered, even as I just started yesterday, they say there is a small boy in that community where bullet wounds. They carry the bullet through the waka. That from what I gathered, say even the parts of the bullet still inside body. But you know if you go take proper treatment because you don't get family or rich parents who fit can go treatment. If they village there, they suffer. Our people dey here, they move freely, people are enjoying and eating freely. If that small boy tomorrow, armed robbers don't carry am, treat am, make am their own, come dey use am dey commit havoc, we go say insecurity, this one, police brutality. All these things come from improper matters, improperly handled. When justice is allowed to fly through the window, then we are inviting injustice and ties-in-there through our doors. We are saying self-help, make it come inside our doors. Now we dey invite by all these things what we dey do. So make people in power and use the opportunity to call on those in government, those in the Ministry of Justice who don't hear this matter, those who never hear, make them hear it now. Those who are in the high level of the police force to come into this matter and say enough is enough. these people whose names were mentioned, let's invite them. If we can find that they are wanting, if we find prima facie evidence, which from what I can see, direct evidence of identification is already there, we charge them to court. They should be charged to court for the offense they have been alleged to commit. Let the judge determine whether they commit that offense or not. It's not the duty of us to sit at home and say, oh, this one a big man, if he commit this offense, make I never know. If person where they shoot say, see who shoot me for here, you go arrest am first, investigate am, most likely charge am to court. When you don't charge am, let the judge determine whether he commit that offense or not. Na so they take do, and na so I say make I call on our people both within Edo State and outside Edo State, within Nigeria, even outside Nigeria, to talk to people and people in authority to do the right thing, especially with this Orobo matter and all other matters of injustice where our police suffer. My brother Kola, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my brother Barrister Andrew. So when you deposit just now, I see reasons with what you talk. And when you talk, say this kind of issue, like the breeds insurgency and insecurity for our country. You know, so Boko Haram thing starts.
Yes.
That's really the time of Obasanjo that time.
Yes.
Well, more than Mohammed Yusuf.
Yes, when they kill that time.
Yes, they are ready.
Small.
They are ready. Things start small. They never terrorize them. They never they take over some.
The people who now felt that justice was not done in that matter.
Nice. Thank you. So now they go kill that. They go kill Mohammed Yusuf. As they
in
kill
an unlawful manner.
in an unlawful, yes, extrajudicially. As they kill Mohammed Yusuf, then people can pick up the fact use sophisticated weapons against federal government. Today, the havoc wey Boko Haram don cause for our country not be here. People they don't kill.
Over 10 years, billions of
naira. People they don't kill. Worse, past people wey die. During many past people wey die during the Nigerian Civil War, where they fight from 1967 to 1970.
Yes.
You see this imbroglio now for Imo State. Yes. You see now so the thing starts. Here some people they protest. IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, they come and they protest say they don't want to join Nigeria again because of the issue of marginalization. Yes. Say since Nigeria attained independence, say now only Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe where they firm make ceremonial president and therefore they come make a head of state. They firm make a governor general before they come make a ceremonial president. You understand? Yes, after the military coup on January 15, 1966, Naib Oman, Abu Yurunsi, now met as the military head of state. Yes. You understand? I think he ruled from January 15, 1966 to July 29, 1966. Now that same year, now they plot a military coup against the administration and kill him. They eliminate her. Since then, Igbo man never become president. But actually all the appointments where they give, now lopsided appointment, Buhari they give the brothers.
Yes,
you understand? Heavily. These people they say that they marginalize them. They marginalize them. We need self-determination. Instead of government, federal government, Buhari to call them for roundtable discussion and everything. Address the issue. Address the one you feel address. Yes. You start to they arrest them, if they protest, soldiers begin to kill them, they put them for the bottom, treat them like common criminals and everything. Arresting now they can charge them to call with treasonable felony. Before that one come, they come bail and they come jump bail. They come run jump bail, go abroad. You understand? A guy some people now we see day now. Where we say they arrest about 203 of them. 9 courts, now 3 of them. We know the year of that the two people again. That one, I cannot forget the other one. Where they are arraigned with Ikano, now 3 of them. They talk of those 2 people again now. Where they sit and they go, where they sit. If they can't go court, we know the grace publicity and everything. You understand? So now that be the thing. We need to really ask questions about the whereabouts of those 2 people, those other 2 accused persons.
Those are the issues.
Very, very important.
When we do case, we do it for big man.
Yes.
Why we are doing for big man. Since the Nnamdi Kanu dey again, the case everybody quiet, go and say, maybe they just love this one for his side.
So now be the thing. Now so insurgents and it's make them not they go after policemen. Make them not they go after policemen. Policemen. Now human being like us. They get wife and get children for us. Policemen not be they believe will be the problem.
Not be the problem Nigeria.
Police not be politician. Police not be policeman be the president. Make policeman be governor. Make policeman, you understand? I be the thing. Make they fit for all those policemen. My brothers, all these people they do all these things and they beg now. More now the bus station again. More now they go after policemen. Policemen they be human being like you. Policemen they bear the brunt of this injustice. They suffer. They suffer self. Now they give these people every oppressed pass. How about the policeman's salary? Policemen now they not secure them. Their life are not secure. Once anything happen to policemen and their wife and family, their family and the wife children, and they're going to suffer. At the end of the day, they die. Not those ones will be there now. Governor will give them 100,000 naira. Give the family 100,000 naira. Finish. That's all. How would that police children, that policemen children, how don't they happy with the system? They take that as a bill. Make our politicians make una they do good because they know they knock on our doors small. That's what it be. That is why we always dey talk and say injustice and oppression na dey lead to all these things. See this matter dey happen for Orobo community now. Somebody now go now see all those people now wey get bullet injury, bullet wound and all that. They dey hospital. Me no know why there is a no gain in that community. You understand? Before you fix meeting like that, before you fix meeting, you are supposed to inform the no gain. Before you can fix a call, before you fix a public meeting, no fit all come from nowhere. You fix meeting according to wetin they talk. At the end of the day, they say that they go after they go after some people. It not be like that. Everybody get right to oppose you. If they oppose you, you make sure say you call them, prove your case beyond all reasonable doubt. Say yes, you're on the right track. Instead of inviting people to come to shoot gun for your own community sporadically, I beg, I want this opportunity to appeal to that my person, to that my brother, so they mention his name. Make you not degenerate into that level. They carry gun, they shoot your people. You know, they be your people. You understand? This life not be forever. What shall it profit if you gain the whole world and lose your soul? This life not be forever. This life is short. This life that they live, where this life that they short, then you will carry gun. You want to go to superimpose yourself on the people. That will not be like that. The human right that they watch. Human right they watch. That they watch. People they will say they watch. No matter how you be for the society, there is nobody that is above the law. Professor A.V. Dicey, when he demystify the rule of law, he talk for his book, Introduction to the Law of the Constitution, talk and say there is nobody that is above the law. You understand? These people now, this Orobo community people, they don't write petition to the Commissioner of Police. At least those people know they mention. Make them invite them. Make them obtain their statements. Obtain their statement to ascertain the verisimilitude and the veracity of the allegation level against that person. Let me say that person will still come out today, tomorrow. The person will see they come, see they terrorize the community. It not be like that. We don't like all those kind of things. We need peace. As there is peace in those states, so we like them. We don't want anything, any action. Any action or inaction wey go lead or wey go metamorphose into insecurity in those states. Abeg, we dey beg una and the police, the commissioner of police, we see dey call on the commissioner of police. Make dem invite all those people wey be say dem mention their names in the interest of justice. The interest of justice. Your constitutional responsibility na to maintain law and order. Na to maintain law and order, arrest offenders, charge offenders to court. Anybody wey you say you found them wanting after you don't investigate them, the onus lies on you to charge that person to court. Now so a big situation whereby we dey maintain we dey believe in hierarchy, the classification of human being, we dey believe in the state of disequilibrium in classifying human being. Now they lead to all this katakata so for our state. Abeg, we dey beg una law enforcement agencies, we dey beg una make una discharge una constitutional responsibility in line with the constitutional provision. My brother, Barrister, you talk about us now. You say those people now they never arrest those people.
They never arrest them.
They never arrest them. You sure say they never arrest them?
But what I gather, only one person did custody.
Okay.
Up till since that's how they till date. And that's one person did custody. Even the one person is making moves to be released on bail. Meanwhile, the other four, when they also mention their name for that petition, they don't arrest them.
Police never arrest them. What is the step wey be say you don't take? Now what is the step?
You know, say when you make complaint to them, you give them 1 or 2 days to work.
Yes.
If nothing come out, you move to the next level. Okay. Since we see say they don't arrest those ones, we don't write to the higher authority.
Don't write to higher authority.
Yes, AIG's office. Make that office make it take over the case, and now you see how they go do it, because this one not be where they do investigation where I know. If person identify somebody say now this person I commit crime against me, they go arrest them first. before they will begin the give am benefit of the doubt. Don't be say they say this person na shoot me, you point out say na him be this, then the person dey still waka freely, they come to police station, he go comot. If they no ask am one question, say come write statement, they no investigate.
They're supposed to know say some kind of people out of their mental states or out of maybe annoyance, we don't point this person and this person and do one or two things. And I do what you understand. You know, so the statement of one person, they don't feel cannot be used against the other person. You understand? But what they're supposed to obtain that man, that person's statement. So
yes,
you see the person prove his innocence.
Normally, you take statement from the victims first, which they have done.
Yes. Victims
don't point out 5 people or more, saying that them shoot at them, and the carry gun shoot at them. That one they there. They are also there where say the policemen go to the community yesterday, go take statement from other villagers. They also invited villagers. Say villagers, they could have come, but they come tell us how they see this matter. What will happen? I guess they take statement from some people like that.
Okay.
From all those statements, who and who they don't come arrest during the press when they carry that? Are they saying now only that one man? Now he shoot all the bullets where he put there, all those scatter bullets left, right, and center. Now that one man shoot them. And these are the questions. One person can go to fire that weapon. Where all the other people who are involved? And even the one they arrested, what is the level of involvement and what is the level of the case? Are they charging to court? Today is the 5th day of, since Saturday. Today is Thursday. Today is the 5th day. Nobody has been charged to court.
Barrister, for Nigeria, they talk that one. Somebody don't they stay CID for 5 months, they're not charging them to court. Hey, Barrister, see what they talk. The system is poor also. The system, that is why we fight against the system. We fight against this very poor system. So, you understand? America good today. Our politicians, typically Jack Origo politicians, they will thief money, they will thief our money for a year. They will go abroad, they invest the money. Abroad good. There is equal right and justice. You understand? According to one musician, what will be named on a culture, and say if you need peace,
yes,
you should fight for equal right and justice. You understand? He said, I don't want peace. I don't want peace. We want equal right and justice. You understand? There is equal right and justice. Yes, there will be peace. If there is equal right and justice, then the way they give the Fulani people equal right and justice, they give Hausa people, they give Yoruba people, they give Igbo people. I don't believe say this agitation of secession. I don't believe say there will be creation of movement for the actualization of sovereignty of Biafra or indigenous people of Biafra, where they agitate for self-determination.
Will they do apply double standards? What will they do? If the matter involves Mr. A, yes, we will operate differently.
Yes.
When he involves Mr. B, we will operate differently. Now, the only problem is that we know how they treat criminals or suspects for police station.
Yes.
Why can't we say when they reach certain people body, police self to even invite the person go they hide?
All the ones are not equal.
They look for Oganova Signer.
Yes, Oganova Abuja.
Abuja. But if they reach other people body, they will just arrest the person for street, carry inside the street. But when they reach other people body, we will come to look for Oganova Signer. Why be like that?
Oh, I'm gonna swear. Thank you very much. I say we dey pray. May Almighty God they continue to bless you as you dey use your legal profession so they fight for the people. I know the way the road is very tough, but by the special grace of God, when your money don't start to come, you will get blood money. But when they take your time, they fight for humanity. Yes. When they take your time, they fight for poor people. People don't see you.
Yes.
You understand? When we do our activities that time, when we start with our chick go inside, our young like we go slap that time. Don't say see people. Don't say this one is whenever they create. This one not get work. You understand? Yes. But today, once they mention that name, we say some of us people get today. We value our past trillions of naira. Anywhere we go today, respect. Respect. When I go travel, go Asaba, who's there here? I surprised say somebody say, come with I see you on television and everything. You understand? What are you? What you coming for Asaba? I said, I want to carry me come. He said, okay. Thank you, I'll pay for your hotel. I travel go Abuja and the same thing. Goodwill.
Yes, because of how you have been helping the society.
Yes.
That's how we should operate.
I beg.
But for the day, it's not a help us.
Yeah, so I see when you support it, before we round off this interview session with our legal luminary, the minister in the Temple of Justice and uphold the rule of law, I want this opportunity to take call on the people of Orowo community, make them maintain peace. Yes, make them maintain peace. Make them not engage, take laws into your hands, into their hands. Make them not engage into violence. Because we did very, very optimistic, say police go do the needful. As we talk about say police go Orowo community, yes, go obtain statement from elders and everything. Maybe they do their own investigation. Yes. We believe say appropriately when that time reach, they will invite that person, they mention a name. Yes. And all those people they mention their names for the petition. May they obtain their statements. You understand? May they question them because nobody there above the law.
Exactly.
If you feel if a man who is coconut go be carry man who is coconut go prison, you understand? Why be say person they look money, big man they look money, they don't feel carry and go prison. We not believe in that kind of issue. We believe in equality before the law. Professor Elby Dice talk everybody they equal before the law. You understand? Even in England, where they talk say the queen, the king or the queen do no wrong. The queen see the queen not there above the law.
Yes.
She see they follow the law.
Yes.
I beg. We they call on our politicians or our authority for this matter. May they make sure say justice prevail. May those people who say involve police arrest them, investigate. May they get the latest information about human rights violation. May they get the latest information about the happenings.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.